Hey guys, what's going on? Hunter here from VW World. You know we make videos that you guys request, so here we are in a 2019 Tiguan SE. I know these things aren't quick, but someone requested a 0 to 100 video. We've done a 0 to 60 in the 19 so far. So here we are in a back closed private road, and we're gonna do a little 0 to 100, I guess, for you guys. So we kind of got a little sun glare coming into us. We're gonna put it back in sport mode. We're gonna stop here. So we're in sport there. You see the S in the right corner. And here we're good to go right now. We're gonna get it up and launch it. We're at high elevation here, a little below 4,500 feet. And we're going through some fog here. There we go. Woo. Well, I need someone to time that in the comments section below. And like always, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, and we're going to keep bringing videos out to you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. I know this was quick, but that was a 0 to 100 in a 2019 Tiguan SE. Until next time, guys.